Laurel Hill. International countries like Germany and Brazil and China. If you're watching this, hello, it's episode 55. It's Friday, April 25th, and we had a brother and sister duo today. The Sparkle Muffins, episode 55. Please tell us, what is your name?
Maliya.
Say it again.
Maliya.
Your name is Maliya. And hand it over to your brother.
My name is Millen.
Your name is Millen. Which one of you is in, well, tell us, Millen, what grade are you in?
I'm in 6th grade.
6th grade. Let me guess your teacher. Hold on. Thinking hard. Mrs. Mason.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, Maliya, tell us your grade and who's your teacher.
I'm in 2nd grade.
And who is the person that teaches you all day long?
Miss Shelton.
Miss Shelton. You're right around the corner from here. You're both really close to each other. Like literally 2 seconds. Like Maliya can walk right across the hall. Yeah, and I'm in the middle. We're in the same little road here. We're all like neighbors in a little neighborhood. So cool. Episode 55. They have a huge blueberry muffin right here. When you guys want to show your muffins that you have there? Yeah. But they already had breakfast, so they're not going to eat them right now. Pretend you're eating them up. Pretend. Yeah. I'm not going to pretend because I haven't had breakfast yet. English muffins. I know you're probably sick of me saying English muffins, but I don't care. I love them. All right. So what topic do you guys decide to talk about today?
Space.
Space? Holy ding dong. Yeah. That's a large area. Space is humongous. So let's get right to it. I want you to tell me, first of all, I'm going to ask you a couple of questions. All right. Let's see. Do you two have a pet at home?
Yes.
I'm going to guess what you have, and I have no idea. I feel like you have a cat.
Yeah, we do.
You have more than one cat?
No, just one.
One cat. Now, do you have a dog to annoy the cat or no?
No.
Just the cat.
Yeah.
I'm going to guess your cat's name. If I get this right, you owe me $1,000. You ready?
Yeah.
Right. Is it a boy or a girl?
The boy.
The cat's name is Simon. What is it? What is it?
Jingles.
Jingles. Oh, I was going to say that next. Anyway, Jingles. How's Jingles doing today? What was Jingles doing when he left the house?
He was sleeping. Purring.
Oh, I'm jealous. I want to be sleeping. All right. Let's see. What did you two have for dinner last night? Last night, where were you for dinner? What did you have?
California Pizza Kitchen.
You people are making me think you went out to eat last night?
Yeah.
Oh, that's one of my. I love that place. I don't think I've ever been there with my kids though.
Oh, it's a good place.
It is a really good place. Do you guys have? Okay, you said you had breakfast. Do one more guess, and then we'll start talking about space. You had breakfast. Both of you had breakfast this morning.
Yeah.
Okay. I think did you get the same thing? Oh, okay. I believe Maliya had a bowl of cereal. Oh, come on. I believe that. Okay, then you had a bagel.
No.
You had a fruit salad.
No.
You had a muffin.
Yes.
Because you were so excited about Sparkle Muffins, you had a muffin. Was it a blueberry muffin?
No.
Corn muffin?
No.
Chocolate muffin?
Yes.
And Millen, what did you have?
Pop-Tart and hash brown.
Pop-Tart and hash brown. It was the Pop-Tart cinnamon.
No.
Chocolate.
I actually don't know what flavor it is.
Oh, you just stuffed it in your mouth and ate it?
Yeah.
All right. That's good. I used to love Pop-Tarts. We had them at our house. I haven't had one in a long time. And what did you say? Hash brown. Ooh. Yum, yum. Okay. Enough of that. We're going to do space now. Now, Millen or Maliya, I don't care who starts it. What's the first topic you want to talk about?
Space.
Well, awkward. Of course you're doing space. You already told us that. All right, so what is one thing about space you want to share?
Pluto.
You're going right to Pluto. Why are you going to the farthest? Oh my gosh, let me pull it out. All right, what do you know about Pluto? I'm going to find my card
It's a
here.
dwarf planet.
Dwarf planet. For those of you out there that have no idea, there's Pluto. Yeah. It's a dwarf planet. You want to hold it, Maliya? There you go. What else do you know about Pluto besides the dwarf planet?
There's more dwarf planets in our galaxy.
There's more dwarf planets?
Yeah.
I'm going to go cheer. Do you know how many dwarf planets there are? Or do you have any idea?
There's 5.
Actually, that's correct. I'm going to give you another applause. Yay. By the way, why do they call them dwarf planets? Do you have any idea? Yes, you do. Yes, you do.
No.
Yes, you do.
No.
Yes, you do.
No.
You want to make a guess? Why do you think they're not real planets? Well, real planets, or why do you think they're dwarf planets?
Because they're smaller than an actual planet.
Hello! Ding, 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 ding. That's exactly right. I mean, they're smaller. And there's another reason, too, but I won't bore you with it. But yeah, Pluto is a dwarf planet. I'm going to do a boo right here for a second. But that's Pluto as a planet. When I was a kid, those who don't know, they did drop Pluto on the floor. Drop Pluto. Drop Pluto. Not the real one, but the. Okay, Pluto. Now that we got that out of the way, sad Pluto that's no longer a planet. What's another thing you want to talk about?
Uranus.
Uranus. Uranus. All right, let me find a picture of it. And what do you know about that planet?
It stinks.
This is getting real weird. There it
It
is.
actually does.
Ooh, it does? What, you've been there before? How do you know it smells? Oh, YouTube. That's right. I forgot about that new invention called YouTube. You can go watch things. Here, Maliya, don't drop your Uranus on the floor, please. That'd be, there we go. It smells bad. All right, that's great. Is there anything else good about Uranus or cool you can think of?
I can fit 63 Earths.
Okay, that's completely random. 63 Earths. I got to give you something for that. I'm going to slap myself. Ow! Knock me out with that one. 63 Earths. So basically, what you're saying is your Uranus is a lot bigger. Okay. All right, got that one out of the way. Uranus smells. By the way, do you know that it's also on its side? It got like smacked by something. So here's Uranus spinning around, and then something went and then knocked it on its side.
Why is it so big and squishy?
The last time I went there, it wasn't big. Oh, wait, I haven't been there. I don't know why it's so big. The microphone. They were talking about the microphone. That is not what I thought you guys were talking about. Uranus. It is big, and I thought you really thought it was big. Okay. I know. This is a weird episode, folks, but a good one. All right. Next thing. So far, you got Pluto and Uranus. What's another one you want to talk about?
Mars.
Okay, Mars. Let's find that one. Maliya, do you feel good? Do you want to say something about Mars? Or hold Mars? Make Millen hold Mars. There you go. Anything you know about Mars, Maliya?
No.
Good. Hand it over to Millen. She's like, straight up and no. What do you know about Mars? What color is it?
Red.
It's a red planet. Very good. It's a red planet. And what else? What do you know about Mars? Anything?
It's the fourth planet from the sun.
Fourth planet from the sun. Hey, Maliya, what number planet from the sun is it? Good. I was going to say, your brother just said it. Fourth planet from the sun, right after the Earth. Very good. You know anything else about Mars? We want to move on.
I know a little bit.
Okay, talk super loud into the microphone. I'm going to change your voice. Super loud. Tell us what about Mars.
Mars used to be Earth 4.6 billion years or million.
Mars used to be Earth?
Yeah, so that's
What?
have land.
Okay.
Well, I don't know, but Mars. And by the way, is Mars really bigger or smaller than it? You know?
Smaller.
Yeah, a lot smaller. So Mars. Maliya, you have another responsibility. Hold Mars. Okay, don't drop Mars. All right, give us another planet. Or Maliya, which planet do you want to know?
The sun.
Well, first of all, the sun is not a planet, but we can do that. Here's the sun. Boom, hold it, Maliya. Maliya, what do you know about the sun?
So hot, if you go close to it, you die.
It's so hot, if you go close to it, you die. Awkward. Yeah. She's not wrong. She's not wrong. And by the way, are all the planets going around the sun?
Yeah.
Yeah, of course they are. All right, so you're telling me that right now we are in space going around the sun.
Yeah.
That's very straight. Okay. Maliya, thank you very much for warning everybody out there. Do not head toward the sun. Yeah, they're whispering on camera. You gotta share with us. What are you gonna say? What was the whisper? Say it.
Yeah, let's see it.
Say it.
Say it.
Oh, boy.
There's a diamond planet.
What's the diamond? What's the diamond planet? You know? Oh, there's a planet out there that has diamonds on it. I think you're right. I can't remember which one it is.
It's Uranus. I
Oh,
think.
back to Uranus. Okay. Diamonds. Okay, we'll get back on that. But I think you're right on that one.
It rains diamonds.
It rains diamonds. I was supposed to rain tonight, tomorrow. That'd be so cool. Diamonds started coming down like Uranus. But all right. All right, you two, you're pretty entertaining. I like this. What's another one you want to talk about? By the way, take a fake bite of your muffin so people don't forget we're on Sparklemuffins. Take a fake bite. I'm taking a real bite. Oh, hey, you two. I forgot before we move on with life. Here's the Sparkle Muffin. His name is Frederick II. You know Elena in your class?
No.
You know Elena.
Oh yeah, I do.
Elena's in his class. She came up with the name Frederick II for him.
Oh.
And there he is, Sparkle Muffin. All right, next planet. Go. Boom.
Saturn.
I was wondering when you were going to say that one. Maliya, ready to hold Saturn? Pretty big. Watch out. Oh, my gosh.
Saturn.
What do you know about Saturn?
It's made of a similar element.
It's made of what?
A similar element.
It's made of what elements? Which word are we talking? Very similar elements to Jupiter. Oh, it's kind of like Jupiter. All right. There you go. What else is so special about Saturn?
It has rings.
It does have rings. You can think of? Hey, Maliya. Maliya, repeat after me. Saturn
Saturn
has more than
than
200
200
moons.
moons.
That is crazy. I can't believe you just said that. More than 200 moons. It does have. So you look up in the sky, you see one moon. If you were on Saturn, first of all, it's all gas. You'd fall right through. But you could stand on Saturn. What's up with you guys going to these places and dying? My God. I mean, you would fall right through, but you'd see 200 over the moon. Also, here's a bonus question for you too. If you put Saturn in a bathtub, what would happen? I mean, maybe, I don't know, because it is gas. I mean, it's gas already. It would float. Go ahead, what? The opposite. It would float. Yeah, it would float in the bathtub. If you can make a bathtub big enough to hold Saturn, it would float. That is weird. They're both thinking about that going. Can you guys both just say monkeys really quick?
There we go. Monkey. There we go. Perfect. Thank you for that little commercial break above.
Monkeys. All right, you two. You have a couple more planets you haven't mentioned here, and I kind of want to see what you do here. What's another planet?
Jupiter.
The big one. Here we go. Jupiter. Maliya, hold on to it tight. It's really big. Oh, whoa, close up. There we go. Beautiful. One thing about Jupiter.
It can fit 1,000 Earths.
It's huge. 1,000. Yes. By the way, Maliya, hold that back up again. What's that big red spot in the middle? Do you know?
It's like a giant storm.
Huge hurricane. Absolutely.
Yeah.
All right. Good job, Jupiter. Next one. What do you got? Another planet.
Venus.
Hey! Maliya, I wouldn't hold this if I were you. It's the hottest planet, but good luck. Is your finger burning? It is really cool. There you go. Close up of Venus. Oh my gosh, Venus took over the screen. All right, Millen or Maliya, I don't care who says it. What's one thing about Venus? You can say it's hot if you want.
It's really hot.
Oh my gosh, Maliya, you are correct. It is extremely hot. I'm going to put a... If you went to Venus, you would be burning hot. That's crazy. And what planet number is it? You know?
The second.
Number 2. That's right. All right. Based on my cards here, you only have 3 planets you haven't mentioned yet. Let's see if we can end it. 3 planets you haven't said yet.
Mercury.
Hey! Maliya, good luck. Oh my gosh. Maliya has now dropped Mercury on the ground. That's okay because Mercury is really fast moving, so maybe that's why it's trying to take off. Millen, what number planet is Mercury?
The first.
Yes. Also, is it the smallest?
Smallest planet.
Yes. That's what I meant. Not the smallest hamburger.
Oh.
I meant like the smallest planet. Yes. Yes. Beautiful. 2 planets left that you have not mentioned. You know, what's the last one? Boom. You ready for this guy? This is cold. Your hands are going to be frozen. All right. Neptune. What do you... Oh, my dear. Both What did you just drop now?
You know it's all about.
You dropped Mercury again? I mean, Mercury's going fast. I know. There's Neptune. Beautiful. What do you know about Neptune?
It's very big and it can fit 56 Earths.
How do you know how many Earths? You have all these numbers in your head. Neptune is very big, and what number planet is it?
8th.
The 8th, the farthest planet away. And how old would you be if you were on Neptune? Do you know?
Nope.
0. Because Neptune takes forever to go around the sun. You'd still be 0.
How can you be 0?
It's your birthday. Every time the Earth goes around the sun, it's your birthday. Neptune has not gone around the sun yet. You're still 0. How old are you, Maliya? 8. That means you've gone around the sun 8 times in your Earth lifetime. If you're from another planet, your age will be different. Are you from another planet? All right, there's one planet left.
I'm from Uranus.
Oh, wow. You're 0 also. You're 0. You look good for 0. Okay. One last planet left, boys and girls. What do you got? I can't believe you've forgotten this one.
Earth.
You forgot your home planet, Earth. Here, hold it up. Don't drop Earth, or a lot of people are getting mad. Oh, my God. Okay. Oh, my goodness, Maliya. I'm going to boo you on that one. Oh, my goodness. All right, so what's one thing about Earth? Come on. And don't say there's a lot of Chick-fil-A's. What's something about Earth?
You live here?
I do?
Yeah.
I'll check my address, but yeah, you're right. What else do you know about Earth?
There's a lot of oceans.
Oceans take up the Earth. Very good. One more thing about Earth.
It's the 4th planet from the sun.
3rd planet.
Oh,
You already said 4th from Mars. That's okay. All right, so before you go, because you guys are awesome. Here, let me see that Earth. Give me all those cards back. We're going to play a little game here to end. Let's see if you know your stuff for real. All right? Oh, shoot. I forgot how many cards I gave you. Okay, folks at home, do you guys want to say hello to anybody while I organize this? You want to say hi to your family? Want to say hi to friends? Anybody?
Hi.
This is your chance. This is your chance to be weird for a minute.
Maliya farted.
Oh, boy. Well, that's...
Maliya farted. Maliya farted.
Oh, my God.
Maliya farted. No.
Hey, speaking of gas, I don't know if that's true or not, but what can you name one of the gas giants?
Uranus?
Yeah, very good. Very good. Yes, this is one of the gas giants. All right, we're going to play a game called Do You Know Your Planets in Order? Then You Go. All right, here we go. First of all, what is the one ginormous star that all the planets go around?
The sun.
Boom! The sun. They passed number 1. Boom, boom, boom. All right. Make sure you talk nice and loud into the microphone. What's the first planet? You know, Maliya. The very first planet.
No.
This is the game where Millen's going to whisper to Maliya, and then Maliya's going to say it. All right, here we go. What's the first planet?
Earth?
Help her out! Be a good big brother. Whisper in her ear. She's only in 2nd grade. She hasn't learned this yet.
Mercury!
Mercury. Very good. Continuing in the game, Millen's going to whisper into Maliya's mouth, and not in her mouth, in her ear. What's the second planet, Millen? Whisper in her ear.
Venus.
Venus. Very good. Third planet, Maliya. I'll give you a clue. You're there right now. Third planet.
Earth.
Very good. Fourth planet, Millen. Whisper in her ear.
Mars.
Wow. Now, oh, I just dropped one. Okay. Now that's it for the regular planets, like the rocky planets. Now we're in the gas giants. Biggest planet, number 5, Millen. Whisper in her ear.
Jupiter.
Wow, Maliya knows her stuff. All right, 6th planet with rings.
Saturn.
Yeah. 7th planet, the one you guys keep saying all the time.
Uranus.
Hey, Maliya knew that one. All right, and then 8th planet, the last one.
Neptune.
Wow. And then the planet that used to be a planet that's really sad. That you
Pluto.
Whoop, boom, boom. You too. You were amazing. I'm going to change your voice. I want you to say goodbye, hello.
Somebody else.
Goodbye.
Whoa.
Goodbye.
Before this gets even stranger, I'm going to lean over and stop the episode. You two say the most random word. Oh, there we go. Oh, boy. Oh, boy.